How to manage e-commerce items in Webflow. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert e-commerce items, how to edit e-commerce items, how to delete e-commerce items. So, let's get started. First, I will show how to insert e-commerce items. This is one of our Webflow templates with e-commerce integration. Here you will find all e-commerce collections. I am opening the e-commerce item here, and which is products. Many items have already been added here, and I want to add a new item. For that, I have to click on New Product. Now, I have to add some basic information here. First, I need to select the product type. Here, I select physical as an example. Then I need to enter a name. Let's say, New Product is the name. Slug is created automatically after giving a name. After that, I need to write a description here, so I write, "Hello, this is for learning." Then I have to select category. Here, I select chairs, tables, or you can easily create a new category. Just click on the plus icon and give your category a name and click on the Create button and you're done. Check out our newly created category featured here. Next, here you need to upload the original photo of your product. After that you have to select more photos of your product in this More Images field. You can select 25 photos in this field. After that you will get this billing option. Set the price of your product here. If you want to give any discount on your product, then enter this comparison in the price field. After that, you will get the tax information, whichever suite you select. Then you will get SKU, which is for product code. Here I am giving an example code. After that you will get Track Inventory option. Click on Track Inventory option yes, and you will get the quantity. Set the quantity of your choice. Then you will find shipping options. Here, you need to provide all shipping information like weight, width, height and length. After that you get the sales percentage. Here, you can discount your products. After that, you will get a rich text field. Here, you have to enter the complete description of your product. Let's say, I'm writing "Welcome to ThemeNocde LLC, this is for learning." After completing all this, here I click on Create button and our newly created e-commerce items are added to the list. You can check here. Now let's see how this e-commerce item is displayed on our website. Just take a look. You can check how perfectly our new product item is placed on our website. All the information I have added looks so perfect. So, this is how you can add new e-commerce items to Webflow. Now, I will show how to edit e-commerce items. Now, I am editing this e-commerce item and that is wooden table. Here, I click on this item and it will open. First, I want to rename this item. I change the name and write, Best Table 2024. Then I would like to change the description. Let's say, "Hello, welcome to ThemeNocde LLC. We develop WordPress plugins, themes, Webflow templates and many more." After that, I want to add some more categories like sofa, vessels, and chairs, or I can create a new category to add here. Then I want to change the original image. It's so easy that you can drag and drop images here, or upload them from your gallery. After that, I want to add more photos here, so I do it the same way. Now, I want to change the price. So, I am changing it from 70 to 90. I am also adding the comparison price, which is 200. After that I want to change the product tax class, so I change it. Then, I added a product discount code. Then, I want to track inventory, so I click yes. Then, here I change the quantity from 0 to 10. After that, I enable the shipping option. Yes. For this, I need to add information such as weight, width, height, and length. After that I want to change sales percentage from 23 to 30. Then, I want to change this paragraph and write a description of my choice, which is the main description. Then, I want to change the layout of this image and text field. You can literally change or edit anything you want. After doing all this, I have to click Save, and all my edited information is saved. You can check here, our newly edited e-commerce item perfectly displayed here. Now, let's see how this e-commerce item is displayed on our website. Here you can see our recently edited e-commerce item perfectly placed on our website. Images, content, paragraphs, prices, categories are all perfectly positioned and beautifully displayed. So this is how you can edit an existing e-commerce item in Webflow. Now, I will show how to delete e-commerce items. Deleting an e-commerce item is pretty easy. You can delete it in two ways. First, click the select button, then check the item you want to delete. After that you will get an option to delete the item. Click on delete permanently, and the item will be deleted. The second option is much easier. Enter the item you want to delete. Scroll down to the end of the item and there you will find the option to delete the item. Click delete and the item will be permanently deleted. So, this is how you can delete an e-commerce item. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow templates, check out templates.themenocde.com.